Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your account by adding information about yourself on the Detecht application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. That's the last button. Then you should tap on the settings button in the upper right corner, and you should tap on user settings, and here you can find your profile settings. So you can add the profile picture by tapping on this button. You can either take a picture with your phone after allowing the app to have access to your camera, or you can also select one from your gallery. Then you can change your first and last name, add your city. Then you can write a few words about yourself as an introduction to the bio section. You have 140 words, as you can see. Here you can set the distance unit, which is now set to kilometers, but you can also select miles, and then everything will be updated automatically. And you can also set your profile to private, so only your friends can see the content of your profile, so the posts that you create and so on. After that, click on the save button in the upper right corner and click on yes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.